Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject reasoning, chapter number 19, and the name of the chapter is time. Okay, and this is our lecture number 3. Now beta, today's topic is what is calendar? Calendar क्या होता है बेटा? So its answer is a calendar is the record of all the dates and days of 12 months of a year. कैलेंडर क्या होता है बेटा? जिसमें एक साल की पूरी जो है डिटेल होती है कि कौन सी डेट को कौन सा डे है. ठीक है, वो हम कैसे पता कर सकते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ कैलेंडर. ओके, तो पूरा जो हमारे 12 मंथ्स होते हैं एक ईयर में, एक साल में, जो ये 12 मंथ्स होते हैं उसका पूरा रिकॉर्ड जो होता है वो किस में होता है बेटा? कैलेंडर में. ओके, सो what are the 12 months of the year? That is number 1 January, number 2 February, number 3 March, number 4 April, and number 5 May, number 6 June, number 7 July, number 8 August, number 9 September, number 10 October, number 11 November, and number 12 December. These are the 12 months of a year. Okay, and we can see the record of all the dates and days of 12 months of a year in the calendar. This is the image of a calendar. Okay, we can see the date or days of 12 months of a year. Understood beta? Now what is year? Okay, so the time taken by earth to make one revolution around the sun. ईयर का क्या मतलब होता है बेटा? जब अर्थ जो है पूरा एक चक्कर लगाती है सन के चारों तरफ. ठीक है, दैट टाइम टेकन बाय द अर्थ, ठीक है, इज कॉल्ड अ ईयर. ठीक है, सो हियर देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ ईयर्स. दो तरह के ईयर्स होते हैं. नंबर 1 ऑर्डिनरी ईयर and number 2 leap year. So today we will learn about ordinary year. So what is ordinary year? That is, in an ordinary year there are 365 days, having 28 days in February month, and rest of the months have either 30 days or 31 days. ठीक है बेटा, ऑर्डिनरी ईयर का क्या मतलब होता है? जब हमारे एक साल के अंदर जो मंथ्स हैं उनके जब हम डेज काउंट करते हैं तो वो कितने बनते हैं? 365 डेज. ठीक है, और ऑर्डिनरी ईयर में फेब्रुअरी मंथ में 28 डेज होते हैं, और जो रेस्ट मंथ्स होते हैं यानी कि फेब्रुअरी को छोड़ के जो हमारे रेस्ट वाले मंथ्स हैं जो रह जाते हैं फेब्रुअरी छोड़ के, उन सब के अंदर कितने डेज होते हैं? या तो 30 डेज होते हैं या फिर 31 डेज होते हैं. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? एंड वी विल लर्न अबाउट लीप ईयर इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर. ओके, सो दिस इज द calendar. Okay, we can see that there are months on this calendar: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And we can see the number of days. Okay, like in January month there are 31 days. In February month, because this is a leap year, so 29 days are there. In March month 31 days, in April month 30 days, in May month 31 days, in June month 30 days, in July there are 31 days, and in August also 31 days, in September 30 days, in October 31 days, November 30 days, and in December 31 days. So we can know the months days with the help of calendar. But beta, every time we don't have calendar with us, so how we can find out the number of days? Okay, we can find out with the help of our fist. So now beta, this is a fist. You have to make fist like this. ठीक है, आप सब अपनी fist इस तरह से बनाइए. Okay, now we will learn how to calculate the number of days with the help of this fist. Okay, you can see that there are upper impression and lower impression when we make fist like this. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आपको दिख रहा है बेटा, this is the upper impression and this is the lower impression. Then again upper impression, lower impression, upper impression, lower impression, upper impression. Okay, so with the help of this we can easily find out the number of days in a particular month. Okay, so here we will write the number of days of particular months. We have 30 days or 31 days. So let's start from January month, that how many days are there in January month. Okay. So let's start. You can start from your little finger or index finger. किसी भी तरह से आप start कर सकते हो. Okay. So let's start with our index finger. So here beta, first yani January we will count, and this is the upper impression. So there are 31 days, so we will write January here under the place 31 days. Okay beta, now February, we know that February has 28 days. Okay, because I told you earlier now that February month has either 28 days or 29 days. Okay, so here February month has 28 days. After that March, this is the upper impression, so again we will write here March. Now April, lower impression, so April has 30 days, so here we will write April. Okay, then May, this is the upper impression, so 31 days are there, so we will write here May. After that June, so June is the lower impression place, so 30 days are there, June we will write here. After that July. Okay, so July has 31 days, so here we will write July. Now August, again this is the upper impression, so August has all 31 days. Okay, after that September, so 30 days, so here we will write September. Then October, October has upper impression, so we will write October here 31 days. Then November, November has 30 days because it is at lower impression, so here we will write November. Then upper impression December, so here we will write 31 days. Okay, so beta, we have write all the months name with 30 days or 31 days or 28 days. Okay, so now we will count how many months has 30 days, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 months has 30 days. Okay, and how many months have 31 days, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 months have 31 days and 1 month has 28 or 29 days. Okay, so this is 4 plus 7, 11 and 1, 12. These are the 12 months of a year. Understood beta? Now example, in these type of questions again we have given one question and there are 4 options and we have to take the correct option. So here what is the question given to us? That is, how many days are there in an ordinary year? ठीक है, ordinary year मतलब साधारण जो हमारे साल होते हैं उसमें कितने दिन होते हैं. We have 4 options. In option number 1 यानी A part 31 days, in B part it is written 366 days, in C part 30 days and in D part 365 days. So I told you earlier that how many days are there in an ordinary year. So you know that is 365 days. So here we will write its answer, that option D is correct, that is 365 days. Understood beta? So today's homework Question number 1. How many days are there in the month of June? So now you can find out with the help of your fist. So our options are A. 31 days, B. 30 days, C. 366 days, and D. 365 days. So you have to write the correct option. Now question number 2. How many days are there in February month in an ordinary year? ठीक है, साधारण साल जो होते हैं, लीप ईयर की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे, जो हमारे ऑर्डिनरी ईयर्स होते हैं, तो उसमें फेब्रुअरी मंथ में कितने डेज होते हैं? सो हियर ऑप्शंस आर ए 31 डेज, बी 29 डेज, सी 28 days, and D 366 days. Understood? Now question number 3. How many days are there in the month of August? अगस्त मंथ में कितने दिन होते हैं? A 31 days, B 30 days, C 29 days, and D 28 days. Now you have to count it with the help of your fist. Now question number 4. How many days are there in the month of December? December month में बेटा कितने दिन होते हैं? Options are 30 days, B 29 days, C 7 days, and D 31 days. Okay. Question number 5. How many days are there in the month of November? 31 days, 30 days, 29 days, or 28 days. Now you have to do this work. Okay. Now the homework solution of chapter number 19, time, lecture number 2. So let's start homework solution. I had given you sums related to special days. When do we celebrate Children's Day? And options are 5th January, 26th February, 14th November, and 16th March. And we all know that when we celebrate Children's Day, that is 14th of November, because it is the birth date of Chacha Nehru, है ना, Jawaharlal Nehru, which was the first Prime Minister of our country. Okay, so here we will write answer option number C, 14th November. That is the correct answer. Now question number 2. When do we celebrate International Women's Day? And options are A 4th June, B 27th April, C 15th August, and D 8th March. And beta, we celebrate International Women's Day on the date 8th March. So here option number D is correct, 8th March. Understood? Now question number 3. When do we celebrate Makar Sankranti? So बेटा हम मकर संक्रांति कब सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? We have 4 options. In option number A, it is given 25th July. In option number B, it is 14th January. In C option, 4th November. And in D option, it's 16th May. So बेटा मकर संक्रांति जो है वो हम लोहड़ी के नेक्स्ट डे मनाते हैं और लोहड़ी जो है हमारी जनवरी में आती है. ओके, सो 14th जनवरी को हमारी मकर संक्रांति होती है. सो ऑप्शन नंबर B, 14th January is the correct answer of this question. Okay. Now question number 4. When do we celebrate Haryana Day? Haryana Day हम कब celebrate करते हैं? We have 4 options. A 1st November, B 7th April, C 30th August, and D 6th January. So बेटा हरियाणा डे जो है वो हमारा कब आता है? 1st of November. Okay, so option number A is correct, 1st November. Understood beta? Yes. Now question number 5. When do we celebrate Teachers Day? And options are 2nd October, 1st May, 14th November, and 5th September. So which option is correct? You all know the answer now. That is 5th of September. So option number D is correct, 5th September. Thank you.